Hello all. Yeah, I'm teacher based from Gospel Africa. We teach all over Uganda. We teach here in Rwanda and Nigeria. We use music and life skills. It's beyond music. As you can have a talent and I can't speak to the audience and it's hidden. And I want to benefit from getting this platform for people to share their hearts, their talent, and express what they feel. I'm happy to be in Rwanda again. This is for my second time teaching. I'm teacher based and I'm proud to see all of you use my and welcome.
Thank you so much. My name is Jinjin. This is my favorite. This one. It's called College. So this is Root Foundation Brass Band. We are going to play for you our two songs. The first one is called Number One. Because also we are the second one is called the first one is called Number One is for your experience. Kadi mukomeze muzajya mujya
Hehehe